Yep. Just right now. We're making a video.
Yo, homie, you need a ride somewhere?
Yeah.
Where you trying to go? Is it close?
Yeah.
Where you trying to go? Where you trying to go?
I'm trying to go. Hey, actually, know what I was trying to do, bro? Hey,
He's in the car.
What y'all boys getting into?
Let me call you back.
I mean, I don't know. We just going up the street.
Bye.
I mean, where you trying to go? Trying to go to 45th?
Yeah.
I feel you. Yeah. I mean, I'm not going 45th. I'm actually going the opposite way. I saw you walking this way. So I was going this way. I feel you. I know, homie. If you're going this way, I can help you out. If not, then my bad, bro.
What y'all boys
No.
Nah, bro.
I'm in the Marines and he's in the Army.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we just came back. Alright, man.
Peace out, my dude.
Have a good night. Why the fuck did we just do that?